Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a supplier invoice or bill on MyT accounting software with discount. So if I have received supplier invoice with a discount, this is the way how I can record it on MyT accounting software. I need to go to purchases and click on enter bill. From here, I need to select my supplier. So for example, I can click plus there and select from my list. So in my case, I will have online shop. Bill numbers, that is an online shop invoice or invoice number, so supplier number. So I will have 3456. Select bill date, 1st of July is correct. And due date, I have only 14 days to pay this invoice. I can add additional terms if I wish to. And then I can add a bill item. So here, okay, I will put online products as description, and it is my cost of sales, and I will select it there, cleaning liquids. Amount, I have 250, click save. I can still edit or delete this line, and to add another line, I need to click on bill items. Here, I can add a discount, 10%, that's what's written on supplier invoice. I can select cleaning liquids, and to add a discount I need to put -25. So this would apply and click save. Now 250 minus 25, my total is 225. If I want, I can add any remarks as well as attach any support documents. So for example, I have online shop invoice there, and click save. So now to see the list of where I have recorded our supplier invoices, I need to go to purchases overview, and online shop invoice have been added there. You can see if I want to edit or delete it, I need to click on it and scroll to the bottom, and I can edit or delete the supplier invoice. So in this episode I showed you how you can record supplier invoice with discount on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.